Millions of people want easy weight loss, and Ovira Curb Crave claims it's a shortcut. But can a supplement really help you lose weight, or is it just another fad? So Ovira Club Crave is marketed as an appetite-suppressing supplement designed to help you feel fuller, reduce cravings, and stay on track with your diet goals. The brand highlights ingredients like chromium, magnesium, and cinnamon extract to support steady energy and mindful eating rather than constant snacking. They even push the idea that it can help manage burning mode and keep your appetite steady. But does that translate into real weight loss? Here's what some customers say they experience. Many report reduced cravings and fuller sooner, which can help with calorie control. Some people claim they stayed more consistent with their diet when taking it regularly, and it's easy to take and doesn't contain stimulants like caffeine, so no jittery side effects. These are promising if your goal is habit support rather than magic weight loss. But let's get real, there's no solid clinical evidence proving Curb Crave actually causes significant weight loss and no independent studies on the formula itself. Some people report no change in weight even after months or no noticeable craving reduction. Regulatory bodies have flagged concerns over misleading weight loss claims, and the company doesn't disclose exact ingredient doses. Reddit reviewers share mixed experiences. Some say they feel less hungry but didn't lose weight, while others swear it did nothing at all. So does it help you lose weight? Not on its own. It might help curb cravings for some people, but there's no strong proof it leads to meaningful weight loss without diet and exercise. What you really need is consistent calorie control and lifestyle changes, not a magic pill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.